What's the most cold-blooded thing you've done with a smile on your face? It was Thanksgiving, and I was alone at McDonald's, crying while cooking chicken nuggets. I had cut off all contact with my family. My only friend Tyrese invited me to hang out with his friends. There was only one other girl, Vanessa. I treated Vanessa like a friend. I bought her food and stood up for her. But then she started mocking me for eating too much, and everyone laughed, even Tyrese. Instead of backing down, I played along. Next time, I brought her favorite chocolate, but she barely noticed. Then she started flirting with other guys and acted sweet when it suited her, so I showed her my side. I asked Tyrese to give me a piggyback ride right in front of her, and I collected 10 guys' numbers while she tried to steal Tyrese's attention. 2 days later, Vanessa tagged me in a photo, kissing my abusive ex, with the caption, "Sometimes you just need an upgrade." She thought she won. I just smiled.